Well, after some further troubleshooting work, well, not really that much work, because once I started the IF stage troubleshooting, it was really quite simple. I was just looking at the tuner here, and I grabbed it by here and I felt it snap, and I hadn't noticed that the IF output coax, which goes down to the main board here, was snapped off. You can see the lug behind it there. I already stripped it to resolder it. And I guess I hadn't noticed that before, because this UHF tuner gets in the way, kind of blocks the view, and it was pretty dirty under there, so I couldn't really see that that was snapped off. I just cleaned it with a brush and it was pretty dirty. So yeah, that simple as that. And I connected the output lug through an alligator clip down here to the board, and I do have crystal clear audio, and I do have an image on the screen, or I do have something on the screen, but it's not exactly an image. It's distorted. It kind of looks like the vertical hold when it's just completely gone nuts. But I think that's because maybe the alligator clip is unshielded, and so now I'm gonna just solder that back onto the lug, and we'll see what happens then. Okay, there is the IF out coax soldered back in, and you can hear the audio, but the picture, although I did manage to sort of fine-tune something out of it, is still not working, as you can see. And if you look closely, it's actually the same picture repeated several times. They're standing up horizontal, repeated vertically. Here's the end of one of the pictures. Here's the end of another one, and another one. This is after lots of tweaking around with all the controls, and I can't seem to get this to stabilize. Not completely sure what the deal here is. I am noticing that gap is sort of closing, maybe because it's warming up. Sometimes you can tell a little bit better what I mean by the repeated picture. Let's just adjust this so it stops moving like that. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. Here you can sort of tell the faces repeated several times and stuff like that. So I don't know what the deal with that is. I'll have to check it out.